Welcome back to JJ Central DIY channel.
Today we have the Anybear juicer. Note that this is not sponsored by Anybear, and we got this off of Amazon, so none of this video is sponsored and all the facts will be true and actually checked.
All right, let's do the unboxing. And right off the bat, the package is good, but then they didn't even have a little tape here, so it's like that, but that's okay.
Right off the bat, we have a user manual, which shows all the specs about the juicer. Some bonus material we got here is a recipe book. And basically a toothbrush for the juicer. You just use it to clean it.
And we got a standard power cord and the fruit pusher on the juicer.
Ta-da! It's the juicer.
All right, we got the big motor and the juicer part, which is right here, and then those tumblers right here. One of the main reasons I bought this Anybear is because this is the only one that had a 350 watt motor compared to the 250 watt motor or 200 watts on the other one. So the assumption is it'll be more powerful, which means more quieter and capable, like crushing ginger or something harder when you put into it. Let's put it to the test and see.
Hey, there's 4 parts. Let's put it together.
Yeah, first the body of the juicer goes in. There's 2 compartments. And then the auger. This just goes in there and just push it down until it sits nice and flat. And then the final part, the jar. The only trick to this is the lid needs to be open in order for this to nicely lock in. So let's just do that. Open the lid. And it goes this way. If you can come around here. There's the lock. It goes here and it locks right in that spot. And then you can close the lid. It doesn't come out. All right, let's start with 3 oranges. Technically, it's big enough that a whole fruit can go in there and get started, but I want to put all of them at once. So I'll cut it into half. Okay, let's put them in. Yep, there's like 1.5 oranges fit in just fine. Okay, let's start with that. Moment of truth. Yep. Yeah, I don't know why I switched it. Let's see. Now all we have to do is take this and open the floodgates. Whoa. Awesome. So that's 1.5 orange right there. We're going to put the rest of them and see how much we get from 3 oranges.
Almost done. All right, we're going to open the floodgates. Okay, that's a lot.
Generally in Amazon about $200. So that is a really good savings, and it does 90% of what the industry standard, gold standard does. And we can get quite a lot of juicing done with this. So
Okay, everyone, thank you for watching our Anybear juicer video. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to like and
Subscribe
to JJ Central DIY.
all right, cleaning. This washes off pretty easy because its top is open, bottom is open. So you can just quickly rinse it. Fairly simple. On the other hand, this part has a lot of pulp in it, so you have to take out the auger and basically you rinse that off. Okay, keep rinsing and it'll be clean. So that is what it takes to rinse these off. A little extra work, but if you juice a lot at one time, it makes it easier, I would say. Tighter. Don't get too much. Okay. All right, so these filters need a little bit of cleaning. And apart from that, the auger, a little brushing and a little bit of cleaning in here. The hard part was, okay, this part where the pulp comes out gets a little clogged, so you pull this off and there's a little hole there. You can wash it off like that, and that's the only thing that had a little trouble. Apart from that, pretty easy to clean. Took literally a couple of minutes to clean all the parts, and it's BPA free. I wish it was glass, but it's not. But it's still pretty good with BPA free. And I don't know if it's dishwasher safe or not. I believe it is, but I would just rinse it basically. A couple of tips. The recipe book is pretty awesome. I just tried the apple pear orange, and one of the key things is not putting the whole orange, but to actually peel the orange and put it. It was a lot less of a pulp and a lot of juice, and same thing with apples, taking out the core really made a difference. And cleaning was fairly easy. If you use this brush, especially this side, to poke that little area where the food gets stuck, then it made it a lot easier. Okay, quick tip on that. All right, warranty here is 5 years as listed in the user manual. And then there's some safeguards. It's mentioned juicer only for fresh fruits and not for like frozen or ice. And then under useful tips, not for ice cube, and also says when you need to peel and pick the seeds from oranges and all that. We just threw right in and it did it fine, but apparently they need to be peeled off. And we tried that the second time and it was awesome. Lots of more juice and less pulp when you do it the right way. It's just something a little bit harder with apples and carrots, a little harder, and then ginger, which will be good to test the machine. Dumping the whole thing in and see how it does. Turn it on. It may be a slow juicer, but still everything is done under a minute. And that's 2 apples, 3 carrots, and a piece of ginger, all done clearly without a problem. Thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, please subscribe and also pick up this product from Amazon, link that I've posted on the description. You can see it just grinds through anything like ginger or pomegranate here. Such a nice product for literally less than half the price of the bigger product. So pick it up and enjoy. All right, I'll see you in the next video.